It's 2 Minutes Tuesday. Do you realize that you have been using your charcoal chimney all wrong? In today's video, I'll show you how to start your chimney and cut the time down from start to finish. Lighting the coals is easy when you know the basics. Fire is contagious, and by keeping the briquettes close together will help the fire spread from coal to coal easily, so they're ready to use faster. Start by filling the chimney with charcoal about halfway to the amount you want. Crumple up a few sheets of newspaper and put that on top of the coals. Now fill the chimney to the desired level. Put another 2 crumpled sheets under the chimney. You are ready to light it up. Place the chimney on a sturdy surface that will allow for plenty of air flow around it. The chimney is designed to use the updraft of the air to light the coals when you light the paper. Now light the paper underneath. I like to light 2 sides minimum. As the paper catches on fire, the coals will start, and the paper in the middle then will start as well. At this point, the extra paper in the middle will start the upper coals and cut the time about in half to be ready. After about 10 minutes, you will see the coals starting to glow through the vents and flames starting to flicker over the top of the coals. Pour them onto a pile and wait until the coals are mostly covered in ash and gray in color, then spread the coals out. The whole process takes about 15 minutes. That's about the same time for a pile started with lighter fluid. Well, there you have it. Starting the chimney couldn't be any easier, and now you know how to cut that time in half. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers by liking and sharing this video and sharing it with a friend. Also, subscribing to my channel. Since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so that you get notified of any updates. Let me know in the comments section below what was your favorite part of the video. And if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below as well. I'm Berlon Burch. I'll see you next time.